free tutorial, I'm going to show you why and how to get the best export settings on an Adobe Pro CC. Let's get right into it.
Okay, first step, drag your video onto the timeline, and then the next step is to locate the part of the video that you want to export. In this case, I'm highlighting the video clip, and I'm clicking I or Control I on my keyboard and for an in point, and then the down arrow key to go down in the clip, and then O or Control O for an out point of the video. And then on your keyboard, click Control plus M, and this will bring up the export settings. And in this area, we have the format. Make sure that this is H.264, and then you have different settings. But this has worked best for me for over 5 years. And then under the presets, we have high bitrate, match source, medium bitrate, and adaptive high bitrate, low bitrate, etc, etc. And if you want your video quality to be the best quality, then high bitrate is for you. And if you want it to be the lowest, then low bitrate is for you. Notice that when I click low bitrate, the estimated file size is 50 megabytes. And then notice that when I click on high bitrate, it is 10x or 415 megabytes. See what I did there? Choose the desired bitrate that you want. The higher bitrate, the higher quality for uploading online for the internet. And then under output name, choose where you want to save the video file. And then click save. And then you can click Q or you can click directly to export the video.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.